So it went like this. We're hiking through the jungle in Cambodia on a mission to find a secret beach that we got to know about from the locals. The usual crazy stuff we do, you know? Until we get a message from a friend. Guys, this is for you. And I was like, we have to do this.
Let's get back to the city.
Phnom Penh is the capital of Cambodia and as in all big Asian cities, tuk-tuk is the cheapest way to get around. But guys, remember one thing. Agree on the price beforehand. We have finally found this hidden gem place we were looking for so long. 25 oysters for $3. All fresh and made by locals. This is amazing. 50 cents for a beer on the pub street. Let's do this. Phnom Penh is a city on the rise. Visited by many, but overlooked by even more. You can spend days soaking up the city vibe, sampling all the amazing street foods, or just getting lost in the moment. Guys, we'll see you in the next city.